Just like this now. In a lonely mountain valley in the county of Tyrone lies one of Ireland's most rough, deserted and unknown. The few write historic trails, or with the poet's pen, can say with pride I knelt beside the man's rock in the glen. I'm proud that I am mountain bred, this is my native place. These mountain glens have ever been the stronghold of our race. 'Twas here our fathers earned the right to bear the name of men, when they kept the faith for Ireland by the man's rock in the glen. No more on Carradinga hills the sentinel stands guard. The dreaded foes, the hated yoes, have guns with every word, and you should call in peace and bless these fearless men, when they kept the faith for Patrick's sake by the man's rock in the glen. God bless the glens of Ireland, every rock and mountain pass. 'Twas these same glens that unto God had served for us the Mass. And if the time should ever come when Ireland calls for men, she will not find them wanting